225 right here. This is my last warm-up set. Hang on. Gotcha. For those of y'all. Real. Real. Whoop. Real. Whoop. Real. 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 All a little bit different because I got them from different sources, but they're all real. Figured with Brad Castleberry in one eye, you gotta, say that. So, this is 225. Okay, we're gonna do like 7 sets. Probably one. I'll probably bump it up to 245, not gonna lie, guys. Why? Because I want to do something heavy. I want to do something close to my max, but not there. I don't think I've ever squatted in the garage gym 245. This is about as heavy as I'll go, generally. That being said, we're going to do this. We're also going to do, most likely, some front squats. Just because it's an exercise I don't do very often. If you ever do that. We're going to do some stone walks. What I mean by walks is we're going to get up on here. And you're going to see me walk part of my garage and back. Both arms, just walk there and back. Probably with a 95, not going to lie. We're not going to do the 127 yet. But we'll see how these stone walks feel. And I'll probably open the garage for that. So, we're going to get this done, get the front squats done, and then we got our unilateral, and we'll be done for today. So, let's see how this set feels. I did not try this yet. I did try something close to it. And it felt fine. So let's see how this feels. That's the hardest part, is getting it back on this rack. I plan on buying a better rack here in a little bit, but matter of fact, I gotta reach out to the guy since I got paid. Hang on. 45 out here, and we're actually gonna open the garage because it's probably light out. It took me a little bit to get to this, to actually want to work out today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. As you know, we keep it honest on this channel. So we're gonna open the garage to get a little bit of light out. We're going to hit it and just see how it feels. Hang on. Alright. Like I said, we got 6 sets now. I know I raised the weight. We're going to count that as a set because I only did 1 rep. And this is pretty heavy for me. I may actually belt up here in a few sets. We'll see. Let's see. Let's get this done though. Let's go forward. Almost fell forward on that. Didn't though. Hang on, I don't know if you guys can see me on the bench. Got some M&M in my ear. I'm curious how my form looks. I feel like I'm straighter up. I feel like it's a better squat. I don't know about my depth. I can't go slow with this. I wish I could. Alright, let's go. 3rd set. My bad. Oh, this week will probably be the last week. No, I will work out next week, but I will definitely be lighter as I have to cut caffeine out on the 20th for my surgery, for my eye. So, definitely going to cut caffeine out, but not to next week. 20th is the last time I can have caffeine. And not gonna lie to you guys, as I work a physical job, without caffeine it's gonna be very hard to work out after work. I am going to, but we might be going light and yeah, just again, honest on this channel. Look, we got 4 sets to go. We're gonna hit it here in just a minute. Ooh, my traps feel this. After picking up all the boxes of tape last night. Let's go. This old Eminem, man. 3 sets left. Landscaping, I cut myself, you guys can see that. Cut myself here too, on roots and stuff. Stuff happens. This is getting heavy though. This will be my last week to go heavy. I really want to kind of hit a PR, but I don't know if I'm there yet, guys. So, let's hit this set. 3 sets left. That was hard. I don't think that was a good rep. We'll have to watch it. That did not feel good. That didn't feel like I went all the way down. But we'll see. Definitely quads feel that. So, hang on. I don't change song. This song, it said, remember why you started. Wow. This song. That rep felt good. I don't know if I got full range, but that felt really good though. We're gonna hit some pre-workout. This does not have the recovery solution in it. That'll be when I wake up. Let's get it. Last set. Yep, the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. My back arched. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next edit. We're putting straps on only because of my wrists. Not for any. We're doing lightweight with front squats because I'm just not proficient at them. I don't know what it is. I'm just not proficient at them. I can do some more weight in this. We are going to test this out. But I'd much rather work on technique with front squats than go heavy. Because heavy don't mean nothing if I can't do proper form. So we're going to work on it today. Just 3 sets, kind of like everything. We're going to try to sit down as low as we can. Because I want to start doing CrossFit and weightlifting stuff. I need to make sure, even though it's a front racked, I can get down as low as I can. So, we're going to hit it real quick and see what it felt like. Sorry guys, I took a second, had to use the bathroom and yeah. Sorry, TMI, I know, whatever. You guys know I'm honest on the stream. Part of that's because I did a wing challenge last night at work. I made it up to 2.1 million on the Scozo, whatever, yeah. I did the hot wings. Alright guys, we're going to get up on the shoulder, take a few steps, walk back, set it down, get up on the other shoulder, and do a few steps. I would walk out here, we're actually not going to lift it from this. This is where we're going to set it, but we're not going to walk on it. So hang on. So, we're going to pick it up. Other shoulder. We'll see how this goes. Ready? Let's go. Other arm. Harder than it looks, guys. Yeah. I also am still trying to curl it, which is going to screw my bicep up if I don't change that. Basically, what I'm trying to walk with it is to keep my core tight. I pick up a lot of stuff that's 50 pounds at work. And I carry boxes that are heavy. But this is so much different. It makes me really have to lock everything in, which is kind of what I want to do it. I want to start carrying the 127. I might be able to, but again, we're not trying to move too fast yet. So, take a few minutes, and then probably a few seconds, we'll hit it again. About 7 o'clock, so I really want to start trying to get to bed. Because I got to be up at 2 for disc golf before work. I really don't like this song, but whatever. I like the beat. Alright, let's go. I'm playing. I gotta change the song. This is hard. Sorry guys, I changed my music. And it turned the video off. Alright. We're gonna get this last set in. This is really hard. I don't know why, but the stones, I can get it and leave it if I kind of hold it against my head, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to brace it here. So, let's get it. Whoop. What was that? Alright guys, that's the 3 sets of that. That's so hard, I don't know why. There's one I want to do, not today, tomorrow, where we're going to go out there, I'm going to try to walk with a bar over my head. I've seen CrossFit people do it. I'm slightly curious how hard it is. But let's get this off here and get ready for the unilateral stuff. Next exercise. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is one-legged bridges raised. Okay? Why are we doing these? Because glute bridges are a great exercise to do. But I don't really like doing both leg glute bridges because I have one leg is stronger than the other. So we're gonna do body weight right now. If I feel like I can, we're gonna add some weights to my 1 inch bar and just rep it out. But I don't know about that yet. So we're gonna go on conservative and just do body weight right now. Okay? Now why am I being so close? Because I want to come up. I don't want to come out. That's what I do. I want to come up. Thank you, barbell. Alright, here we go. Ready? Let's see if I can do these. Without, you'll know if I'm doing them right. Because these will push out from doing them wrong. And I'm pushing out. And we're going to do it with the bench. This isn't high enough for my liking. Yeah, we're going to do it with the bench these next few sets. But we're still going to keep this part in. It's not a movement I do very often, so we're still going to do the sissy squat, or pistol squat. We also are going to not go to this. We're going to try to go to this today. It might be bad. I might not be able to do it yet. But we're going to give it a try. Okay? Let's get the second set done. Feet are up here. I'm going to be laying here. There it is. It's like still doing this. Nah. Just a few reps. Woo. Old martial arts workout. Straight and then to the side to work different parts of the hamstring. Now, let's get to the one where I'm pretty sure I'm going to fail at. But it's going to be fun. Maybe I'll do some kick drills after. I'm pretty taxed, but I keep talking about martial arts, so maybe I'll do some wall kicks. There are many drills I could do. You know I am going to do that for my hips. Okay. I'm going to stand here and see if I don't fall on this. Most likely I'm going to fall, but that's okay. Because I want to see where I'm at so far. I'm gonna fall. Yep. Okay. Well, we're gonna do this then. Okay? I use this leg as much as I have to, but as soon as I feel like I'm up, we're gonna raise it up. Okay? Ready? Okay, you did it. Wow. Nope, okay. So we can't do that yet. I don't feel like I get... Alright. We're going to get this up as high as we can. Okay? We are going to keep me trying it, because that is a goal of mine. Because there is a gymnastics work that you do. You come here. I can still do it. Let's do the other leg. Nope, not yet. But that's my goal, is to be able to hollow body rock up into it. Maybe throw a kick. We'll see. We are going to do a quick kick drill. Whoop. We're going to do a few reps of that. 3 sets of that. Then we're going to do a kick drill. Whoop. sorry for another edit. I got it set up for my kick drills. I'm gonna do probably 10. Seems pretty low, but this is actually gonna really suck. Especially because I am deconditioned for this. We're gonna get another set of these in. I thought somebody was talking to me. How are you? Out of practice. All right, let's go. Alright guys, that was 3 sets. I'll probably edit it out. But like last week, started doing some of my martial arts. Not a real kata, just floating through it. Trying to feel centered. I just don't have the stamina to continue to do it. I get winded. So definitely something to start training again. We're gonna do a quick kick drill and then call it. With a little quick kick drill for your hips. With this, right here. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, my kicks do not look good. I'm not pivoting correctly. I'm out of practice. We'll do 2 kicks to work on it. Okay? Give me about 30 seconds to relax and we'll do it. Okay? 18. Give me a long video. Alright guys, welcome to the kick drill. This is for your hips, okay? Something my sensei used to do. I will never show katas or anything like that. Out of respect for my sensei. And I'm not a master. So, I respect my sensei too much to, make money off of what he taught me. If you want to learn from him, go see him and his family. They're great people. If you're ever in Toledo, Ohio, Alan's American Martial Arts is where you want to go. So, anyway, they didn't ask me to do that. I really respect him. So, one of the kick drills. 2 kicks, one lower, one higher. Pulling back both times, holding it, and holding the chamber after. So here, boom, easy. Boom, easy. 5, okay? Use the wall if you need it when you get better. Boom. Okay? You can put it up higher. Right now it's hurting my lower back just because I'm out of practice. So. 3, 4. And that's what'll happen when you get tired. You try to rest your leg on here. It's not the goal. One of my toes, I'll do that full foot. We'll do the side kick. One more. Getting tired. Now, side kicks. You can do 3 sets of this. I'm just doing 1 because I'm really starting to feel it from work. But here we go. With side kick, closer you get, higher you get a kick, the harder it is. I'm going to start here though. I don't know if I can get this or not, but we're going to try it. I got to focus. Ooh. There you go. Sorry if you see my face change. My focus face. One on my toes, the last one. That's something I'm doing for my hips, guys. And because I just train martial arts. And I still have that fire to train. I do not train in a dojo anymore because I do not have the time to dedicate to it. Like if you want to get good, you gotta do it every day. Something every day, practicing. All this every day. Maybe I will, when I get some time, I definitely want to show you guys where I used to train at. Especially if you're in the Toledo area, definitely go check them out. They are some of the best martial artists. In my mind, they're the best. But anyway, guys, that's the video, guys. I gotta edit this and get to bed. Alright, as I always say, go for your dreams, okay? Doesn't matter if you have 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 hours, right? Always do something every single day towards your goal, no matter what it is, no matter how much time you have, alright? Let's always try to grow to be better. Peace.